Good morning, my name is Rangita and today I would like to present my PSM, which is Design Optimization of Gallium Nitride Based Optical Microring Resonator. Dr. Hazura Binti Harun is my supervisor. In order to overcome the challenge of obtaining high modulation depth due to a weak graphene-like interaction, a graphene on silicon nitride microring resonator based on graphene's gate-tunable optical conductivity is proposed. The reason why we are conducting this research is because the usage of a resonant enhanced cavity structure is a viable way to prolong graphic light interaction, and numerous integrated graphic based performing photographic devices have been reported. The integration between graphene and microring resonator, where electro-absorptive and electro-refractive modulation are both considered. By choosing appropriate graphene coverage and coupling coefficient, a high modulation depth of over 40 dB with large fabrication tolerance is expected. This enables the graphical device installed on the silicon nitride platform to boost performance. So for the problem segment, in previous project they use silicon and they get few drawbacks, which is lower coupling efficiency issue, trigger scattering losses, and higher requirement of fabrication equipment that could cause in each of its production units. So in this project, I used silicon nitride because silicon nitride waveguide have much lower losses, broader transparency window, smaller thermal optic effects, and larger fabrication tolerance. Moreover, it also takes high fabrication costs if we intend to do any device design for microring resonator. The objective of this project are to design gallium nitride based optical microring resonator using MATLAB software and investigation of optimal parameters in the field of gap separation, height, width, and radius for enhanced graphene light interaction between graphene and microring resonator. As I said above, I will be using MATLAB software to conduct this project. This is the project flowchart. As I said earlier, this project is mainly focused on four terms, which is gap separation, ring radius, height and width of optical microring resonator. I started this project with some research and continue designing single gallium nitride based optical microring resonator. Then I studied and analyzed the four terms accordingly. Moreover, I proceed to optimization of the process using Minitab Taguchi method. Lastly, the data and result has been analyzed. Let's proceed to comparison tables for refractive indices of some common integrated optic waveguide material. I use silicon nitride material, so here we are. In this picture, we can see the height, width and the gap between power input and the ring, the gap between ring and the power output, and lastly the ring radius. These are the formulas that I use to get the output. First is group delay and group delay dispersion. Second and fourth is fineness, and third is Q factor. Fifth is build-up factor, and the last one is free spectral range. I also show the coding for the formulas in MATLAB. I study the graph trend for all four factors, which is radius, gap separation, height and width. I chose four different values and get the output to know the trend. Here we can see the radius graph. The more the radius, the lower the FSR and FHWM. Fineness is constant and the higher the Q factor. Secondly, we can see the graph for height. The more the height, the lower the FSR and FHWM, the higher the fineness and Q factor. Thirdly, we can see the graph for gap separation. The more the gap, the lower the FSR and FHWM, the higher the fineness and Q factor. Fourthly, we can see the graph for width. The more the width, the lower the FSR and FHWM, the higher the fineness and Q factor. Firstly, I designed a single gallium nitride based optical microring resonator. The outcomes on the research done with all the literature review has been detailed and compared to determine the design and specification graphene on silicon nitride. Most importantly, to analyze the parameters that is suitable and accessible for the project in order to get the expected outcome and design it accordingly. Secondly, I study the effect of gap separation, ring radius, height, width and analyze the efficiency, quality factor, free spectral range, fineness and full width at half maximum are analyzed in detail using its mathematical equation. We can read the output at the right side bottom. As we can see, I designed a graphical user interface in MATLAB in order to read the output easily. The insertion loss for silicon nitride is negative 0.88 decibel. Thirdly, the optimization process. Once the suitable design and specification of the graphene on silicon nitride determined from the literature review, it has been designed and optimized by using Taguchi method in Minitab software. Firstly, I designed the Taguchi for 3 level and 4 factors, which is radius, gap, height and width. Then I continue on Taguchi analysis for FSR, FHWM, Q factor and finesse. Here we can get the response table and main effects plots for means. By the results from Taguchi analysis, I did prediction analyze and get the new mean value. Lastly, I analyzed the data and results. So for the environmental and sustainability, first is transparency for visible and near infrared wavelengths and compatible with CMOS technology. CMOS stands for complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Secondly, watt range power handling, low photon absorption. Thirdly, low temperature sensitivity and custom manufacturing flexibility. The contribution of this project to the real world is boost the exploration of circuit design and the system. It also saves the fabrication cost and predict the performance beforehand. It also gives long-haul optical network either in point-to-point or ring topology and expand the capacity of an existing optical network. It is also a device to serve the telecommunication application for the dense wavelength division multiplexing as one of the telecommunication elements. Thank you.